Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Abanye bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunye uhlase. Mina ngithi ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to my nicest show ever. Angisakufuni. It's where I gain my power to see people break up. It's where I gain my happiness when I see you both crying as you are breaking up because you are trying to do something that is fake. Ni fake nina. Ni fake. Fake relationships. Njolela imali, njolela ukubukwa, njolela ukuthi umuntu unemoto, njolela state for ngisakufuni ngila ngizoniqondisa umlomo ongathethi imanga mfana oseginga indlovu athenga camera wagijima waye egoli wayosiza abantu. Welcome to Angisakufuni on King Ginger TV. Do the right thing, subscribe, tell a friend to do the right thing, to subscribe on King Ginger TV. I love you njengoba ningithanda Mzansi, but today akwesibona ukuthi sihlukanisa ba. Take me straight to kwabahlukanayo. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunye uhlase. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. Hey, what made you go to bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunye uhlase bhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. They call me umlomo ongathethi imanga bafethu. As you all know, this is what I do and I do it best bafethu. Welcome to King Ginger TV. It's where I give people a platform to break up. Kuyahlukana la ekhaya, umuntu uyamlahla, you dump her in a dustbin ngoba i-relationship esiyonakele ayibe isasebenza. Ngila ukuthi ngizosiza umzansi, ngizosiza i-youth, ngizosiza le generation ekuthiwa ama-TDK, ama-2K, ama-cassettes, laba ababuye babe ne-crash. Ngizosiza bona bahlukane nalabantu ababambile. Kunabantu ababazela ngomqondo le relationship ayikho right. Ngila kunje, let's do it mzansi. King Ginger TV subscriber, do the right thing. Subscribe angene 200,000 manje. Waza my sister ungitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mtama. Sawubona, wazangapha?
Hi.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good and you?
Good. Ubani igama?
Igama ngilakeni ne?
Lakeni.
Yeah.
Yes. Kwenzakalani empilweni? Umjolo kwenzani mntakama?
Yeah, ne? Andazi noma ndithi disappointed okanye like Jay, yabo?
Yeah.
Umjolo is not on my side right now.
Umjolo is not doing it.
Yeah, is not doing it. So, me and this guy, Musa, we met at Bram, KFC. I was on my way from youth group, vets. I was on my way back, and he asked for my number, and we just clicked. Yeah, but
sure.
I liked the guy. I liked the way he is. Like when it comes financially, and stuff like that, he's cool. He gives me everything.
Sure.
But what I hate about him is that he treats me like a kid.
Oh.
Yeah, but he's always even when we fight, he's always calm. Lando inenza crazy because mnaka nyuka nawe nyuka sinenza ngathi ndiyaphamana yabo. So
yeah.
Unenza ngathi ndiyaphamana like and anithandi Lando yabo. Because each time musixasilwa iba ngathi unogqwasho apha. And wasikayenze kundishiya.
Yeah.
Ndirake ndodwa aphinda abuye ingathi akwenzekanga nto. So mina nimfuna umuntu onjalo.
So ufuna ukumqalela ba samfuni?
Hayi ansamfuni.
Ubusumtholile omtsha.
Omtsha. Khona ngathi yafumaneka.
Khona ngathi yafumaneka. No power to that. Ayikho inkinga seswami. Angeke ushintshe umqondo ngithi usumlahla la.
Okay.
Sizomehlisa ke manje emotweni. Akazi ukuthi uzomlahla. yena uyitshela ukuthi wena uze kwi-interview njengoba umtshelile. So into esizoyenza sinama options awu-2, it's either simnike i-R50 xa ugqiba ukumcelela lapho uba usamfuni, sizamupha i-R50 uba aqabele itaxi aye pha eBree, from eBree taxi rank aqabele enye itaxi aye eKatsi because wena usamfuni. Or enye option ukuba wena uhambe naye nisebenzisa le bus.
Andifuna uhamba naye mna. Andifuna uhamba naye, ingxaki uze nenza like nje kwa ukumbona nje kwa the fact that xa sithetha nje uthetha ingathi ufuna nje ukuba xa uthetha nomntana ufuna uba understand ngala level eba umntana, andifuni.
And iyadika
iyakwatisa.
Iyadika. No, it indenza into right. Mponini option i1 apha samuphi R50 uba aqabele eBree ne okwangoku into engizawucela uba undenzele yona, khawumkhuphe pha ebhasini yakokwethu, mkhuphe ebhasini yamakhosi, mkhuphe. Ndithethe kakuhle ne? Yeah. So siswami awusamfuni?
No, andifuni.
Bese fika la ufuna ukuthini yena?
Ngumxelela uba even though ngumuntu right, engajaji and stuff like that, supportive financially and all that stuff, andimfuni because unenza feeling ngathi nomntana. Andifuni ufeeling ngathi nomntana mna kwi-relationship. I want to be an equal.
Power.
Yeah.
I got you. Oh, change your mic.
Soz.
Baba wami.
Uzambuza.
Hamba kanjani mfethu? Shap ubanika mputi? Umusa. Sure umusa mfethu. Ngihle noma isister lo yasichazela the way nithanda nakamnandi ngakhona, na the way umphethe kahle ngakhona. Wena ungathini uthandayo ngoma sister?
Yena nguphathe kwakhe no right ba. Yeah.
Umuntu right.
Umuntu right.
And imphathene right.
Yeah.
Okay. Kunento right afuna ukutshela yena, ngicela ukuthi umlalele.
Okay.
Sure. Siswami, cela umtshele konke lokho obungitshela khona.
Yabona Musa, I know uyandithanda ne, and I know ungiphatha kahle and all that stuff. But angiphathi njenge equal yakho Joe. Yabona the fact that ungitreating ngathi nomntana, like everything nje funeka ibe kula understanding yokuba xa uthetha nomntana and you're toddler Joe. So because of that mna ngibona ngathi we're not good for each other.
Manje kanjani man?
Like Joe, wena unenza ngithini acting ngathi ngutata. I already have a father. I want a partner, not a father.
Angalukhipha kupheka. Angithi kumele mangikhuluma nawe ungilalele. Hayi ukuthi manje uzenzele izinto izinto.
Kaloku ndimdala xa nimngaka.
Yes, but angakwenziswa abangani into ezibhaka bakuthathe bakise kuphi kuphi.
Kaloku you're supposed to be my partner. Yabo? Not to be my father. Don't babysit me. I don't need to be babysat.
But still angithi kumele nami ungilalele mangikhuluma nawe uqala something kuwe ungilalele senze into sikwazi ukuthi singaqabani.
Wena uyamlalela yena? Ukhala uthi wena umlaleli, uthi wena uvele ubona ngathi yena okwakhe akwenza okwengane and wena okwakho kwenza okuqondile kumuntu omdala. So
okay, lapho vele sikakhuluma enye into yabo.
Sure.
Yes. Ukuze vele ngamlaleli. The reason being is because yena ngathi uthanda ukulalela abangani kakhulu.
Ayo, i-choice yami kaloku leyo. You have to respect my choices.
So wena sister, ulalela kanjani abangani bakho whereas nina nizama ukubuilda i-relationship noyithulana because kumele nibuilde nobabili hayi nabangani. Why you involving abangani?
Ayikho kanjalo le nto yabokujonga. Yabona le situation eba mina mamela abangani and stuff like that. It's because there was this weekend after me and my friends decided to go out. He was literally against it. Yabo. And I understand why ngafuni. It's like ukuhlala endlini into ezoba grand leyo.
Umuntu ngiyamthanda nepose.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthanda but the reason yiyo lento engiyayiphinda futhi. Ngeke uzolala that's why ngiba overprotective kuye yabo. It's because yena ngathi abangani babeke phambili and okay angisebenza ngithola ama piece job yabo.
Sure.
But ngiyenza ukuthi sidle mina naye into ayidingayo ayithole yabo. Angikho permanent yena uyafunda yabo.
So mfethu ufuna ukukutshela ke lento afuna ukutshela mtshele futhi mtshele.
It's quite right for each other.
And enye into khona into afuna ukutshela yona futhi ubungayazi. Mtshele naleyo enye.
khona umuntu enomfumeneyo.
Okay.
Yo.
So yikho esebona kungcono ukuthi akutshele ukuthi ngcono uhlehle mfethu khona naye izokwazi ukuqhubeka kahle la khona.
No, bithi after yonke into like yabo ngingenzele yona ukuzama kwami okay ngali ukuthi ngova-protective ngiwanti. Kodwa bithi ngicongiphe nje elinye ithuba mhlawumbe ngizolungisa izinye izinto.
No.
Yeah.
Uthi la sekhona uyajabula ufila ngathi la khona bayalingana wena ufila ngathi wena umude and yena umenza bemfishane.
No, njengoba washo ukuthi ngathi ngiyamcontrol.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too controlling. Mina ndifuna umuntu ozondiyeka ne-experience life. Andikabi ifike kula level yokuchata. Sengitreat ngathi ngumfazi, ndi-girlfriend.
Uthanda kuhlale phansi wena kube formal yena uthanda ukuthi nibe niphume.
Eish. Indaba uyayenziswa. That's why ngathanda kwama nabangani bakhe yabo.
Akuyena ne.
Akusuka umuntu masichoose ngiba.
Wayengentimi ngibani? It's like bangikhomba ngompu bandihambe ndiyazikhethela bandihambe.
But still mathi bayakenzisa masithune ukuba right mos wami ukufika abangani bakho uvela ushiye.
Bendiba right because andifuni silo on top of that xa ndisilwa nawe when it's like it's useless, it's like ngithetha nodonga uvele bayipali nje.
Because understand ngithi lento.
Yo hayi ke ufuna ndi-understand senjani mina? Andithi ndiyakuxelela u-understand ndiyakucacisela u-understand ufunani kum?
But mina bengilongilapho for wena mos.
Yabo jonga ndiyakwata yena uphansi.
Uthi yena ufuna mayikasuka nawe asuke nobabili kodwa ngekusenzeka lokho ngoba vela akasakuthandi uthi asikunika u50 uzogibela itaxi lapha naphezulu entabeni izokushiya eBree from eBree ufuna amateksi aya la uhlala khona uzowathola nango bhuti ekunika ngicela uyithathe
noma ungawalka futhi xa ufika eBree
ngicela uyithathe indaba zothi umuntu
noma ungavela ufika uwalka kwapha kula Bree yakho.
Athi okay mina understand.
No but yabona nansi ingxaki yakho ufuna ngicacise neyi1 oko yabona you ayisuka engathi ngithanda notata.
Ngiyamthanda lo muntu akamele ngile naye because mina
yeah sister ngicela nawe uzama ukuthi umlahle kahle my brother cause he's a calm guy uthi uma sister mfethu calmly akasakuthandi and calmly uthi ucela usukume uyogibela itaxi lapha eBree uzokuphelezela welcome.
Manje bo into yenza ukuthi ngibe calm because ngiyamthanda manje angifuni ukuziveza ukuthi nginjani yabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba manje mangaziveza kuyo eish.
Ngone ungazivezi and kunama camera ngone uvela uhambe. Yakwatisa yena lo mntana.
Ngimsacrifice lo muntu le.
I know.
Ngisacrifice ile mfana and yabona indaba zokulwa naye angifuni yabo ngifuni ngoba ngiyamthanda. Ngiyamthanda.
Alright. So la vez omunye ingani si decide la butwang. Yeah. Hayi.
Aphela manje ngathi ngisakhona ukuzibamba manje.
Hayi. Vele usukume mfethu sibambe itaxi ngibone itaxi mfethu. Hayi. Ungani. Yeah. Ku right. Alright angithi?
Mara ngikho right lento ngibizele kanti
hayi no. Bambi itaxi. At least u200 ukunikile ubhuti hayi ku right.
But lo muntu akeke ngiphe lo muntu lento le bengiyithanda kuye yabo.
Hayi khuleka ku right. Eish. Kunzima sisi.
Uzoba right.
Kanjani?
Kahle. Ngisho bekhona nomnye bemaphula inhliziyo yapha ngwami. Uzosurvive.
Eish. Okay. Ubhuti welcome ithi akufaka ebhasini. Ngicela usondele ngapha. Uzokufaka ebhasini and then sokuhambisa ekhaya ne?
Okay,
Nkosi. Siyabonga sisi. Yeah, welcome umfake ebhasini ngisafuna ukuyi-elaborate le ndaba. Aqeda ukudlula kuyo. King Ginger Cream de la Cream, as you all know guys, this is one of the hardest job I'm doing whereby I have to listen and take and be mutual in terms of not taking sides. It's hard Mzansi, but as you all know, we love you so much and we appreciate. Thank you so much for tuning in to this beautiful episode. Until the next one. Thank you Mzansi. Hey yo, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Welcome to angisafuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now. What made you go to ayiniyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa mkhulu. Hayi no, ayiniyasho uyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa. Inkinga usekhathele yesenge.